Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Ndeto cia gikeno kinene. Ndeto Samido aragiikorirwo akirekereria over the weekend. Ndeto onacio ironekana gukorwo ikimwikira gikeno ngoro. Before tumurike ndeto ikigie Samido, ndeto igie Carol Demathew ni atiga fans ake mahahukite kuria Carol Demathew aragiikorirwo akirekereria ndeto ya maithori. Ndeto iragiikorirwo ikimuhanikira also during the weekend kuria arahahurire fans ake na mbica cia ngari yake kionekana kuguthwo mwena wa nathutha. Carol akiuga ati she had a minor car accident and agithii na mbere na kurelease ndeto ino kuri fans ake. She also confirmed that she is well na ndanagikorwo akinukia nguraro. Carol was involved in a car accident. Ndeto arakorirwo agiconfirm kugerera mbica ici kuri her fans kuria maragikorirwo makimuitururira pole nyingi muno. It was a minor accident though ngari yake nironekanire gukorwo ikiringwo mwena wa nathutha. Tucoke kuri Samido over the weekend shared some exciting news with his followers kuria arakorirwo akiuga ati he has decided go follow kana go focus on a new passion akoretwo nayo gwa kahinda, and the new passion is acting. Samido na muini wa benga ogwetwa Prince Aida wa kuria Kisumu, who is a Luo artist, will be producing a movie together. Samido na Prince Aida will be producing a movie together. Samido akiuga ati he will not be acting on this movie but he will be an executive producer together na Prince Aida. All together they have collaborated on a song. Rwimbo rwagikorirwo rugikenererwo muno na ruthiete na mbere na gucambikirwo ni Akenya. Fans were very excited thutha wa Samido gukorwo agishare nao ndeto ino irakionekana gukorwo ikimekira some anticipation makienda kumenya what Samido has been working on. Na Prince Aida ni aragikorirwo agishare some tease ya movie ino magugikorwo maki produce na Samido neria igukorwo igikinyira Kenya na njira area Prince Aida together na Samido mathiete na mbere na kugathiriria through nenda ciao cia ukinyaniria. Something Kenyans marauga they can't wait to watch. Tuthi na mbere na ku like and also go subscribe ni guhingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni updates makiria ndeto nyingi iria ciagikorwo ikihanika over the weekend. Tucamanie in our next one.